I noticed something funny on this head. I stick my finger in here. There's nothing in there. So what does that mean? That means there's probably no thermostat. So we're gonna pull this apart and put in a new thermostat. Yummy. I'm gonna have to clean that up before this goes in. Alright, well, while this is off, let's go sandblast it. So this is the thermostat for your car. The way it works is when it gets hot, it opens up. This allows the engine to reach proper operating temperature much quicker without all the water circulating through the radiator. So once this opens up, it allows the water to go through the radiator and keep everything nice and cool. To put this in, it goes this way. This is the bulb, I guess it would be called. It goes into the engine because that's the part that gets hot. There's a gasket that goes under it. You want to make sure that it's seated in there nice. If it's hanging over the edge and you put the top on it, you'll probably crack it. So just be careful that it is lined up correctly. That looks good. We have a new gasket for it. This is plumbing stuff, so we are going to use some gasket sealer to keep it all closed up. There, now that should keep the engine happy.